At Done Dirt Cheap Lawn and Landscape, we provide complete outdoor solutions for residential and commercial clients. From professional landscaping and high-end paver patios to complex tree removals, lush lawn care, and expert pest control, our licensed professionals serve Tulsa, Broken Arrow, Jenks, Bixby, Owasso, Sand Springs, Catoosa, and all surrounding areas. Stop juggling multiple vendors. We are your ultimate one-call solution for every outdoor need. Get started with a free quote. Call us or visit our website today. Create your own backyard oasis with Done Dirt Cheap Lawn and Landscape.